Qu'est-ce que t'as mis dans mon verre? J'ai les idées plus très claires. J'ai le cerveau à l'envers.
What's up? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ray. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So we're prepping the lips. So in today's video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a makeup session. So basically, if you didn't see my last 2 or 3 videos, I show you how I do my hair. Right now it's setting. So that's why it's in a scarf. So yeah, so if you didn't see my last 2-3 videos, go check it out. I'll probably put it on the screen or in the description box or both. So I'm gonna do my makeup with you guys. I'm not going nowhere. I'm just doing it for the video because, like I said in my last video, I am doing like a series of 12 days before Christmas, and if everything goes well, I'll do 12 days before 2023 or something like that. I'll work on the title, but yeah, I'll do that. Not a makeup beauty thing, makeup influencer, I don't know how they call them. I'm not a makeup guru, so please don't come with me. So what I'm doing first is like, because it's I'm trying to do like every day. I'm trying to get into makeup bag because I feel like it's a lot of time wasting that I could be sleeping, you know, that people use on doing their makeup, and I understand it, but I don't understand like the need, all the hype about it. So yeah, I put some oil, nourishing oil on me, and it's Haitian moringa oil. It's from Créole Essence. If you didn't see my review on it, I'll try to put it here also, but I did a video about them. I heard someone said that putting SPF on your skin also is good during winter for your makeup also, but you know, winter for your makeup, so it can set more like better or stuff like that. I don't remember the girl that started, but it was a black creator. If I found her name, but she's probably my YouTube history, so if I found her name, I'll link it down below. I have rash here, and I know it's because it's dry, but anyway, so I'm gonna try to do my eyebrow. So should I do my brow now or after? I'll do my brow. So if I fucked up, I fucked up. Like I said, I'm not a makeup guru. I'm gonna try my best to do my brow. Sorry guys, I need concentration so I do not fail. Guys, okay, let's see.
Stop it. Get some help.
I know that you're drunk.
Wow. No.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Nope. I need someone to teach me how to do my eyebrows because obviously I suck. So I have this pencil. This pencil with like a brow thingy, and then spoolie on the other side. So we're gonna try this one. Let's try this. I think I can work with it, you know. So now I'm taking some Got2b gel. While my brow is drying, I'm done with the brow. It is what it is. It's gonna come out the way it's gonna come out. Hydrate and smooth. I'm gonna take the hydration and smooth one because we are in winter time and I need hydration. Because I put some SPF, I'm gonna tap, not smudging. I'm gonna tap. I don't think I'm gonna do eyelashes today. I'm gonna do eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna outlining my brows because I think the gel is dry enough. Don't know how to contour, but I bought this on Shein. So now we're gonna set.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you, you make me believe that your love.
The last one, so this is like mousse powder that I'm putting on here.
I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me.
So let me make you check the makeup first. So a close up. The eyebrows are definitively something you need to work on more. But concealer is not bad. Look at the hair, bitch. Look at those waves. Wow. Wow. What is this, bitch? I'm gonna undo them without too much undoing them, you know what I mean? You know, just you know. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures for my thumbnails and stuff. I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures and I'm gonna post them on Instagram. So if you wanna see this on Instagram, please follow me. It's gonna be on the description. Oh my god, it's gonna be on the description box below.
But you giving me time.